Um, ang pinaka-core actually ng kaniyang character is yung pagmamahal niya sa wife. Na sobrang-sobra. Gagawin niyang lahat. And then, nung magkaanak siya, naging extension niya ng sarili niya at saka ng kanyang relationship sa wife. Yung pagmamahal na yun. And gagawin niya ang lahat para i-protect sila. Doon nagsimula yung kanyang crisis. O yung kanyang pagbagsak. So yun siguro yung kaibahan niya sa ibang ginawa.
Maraming salamat, Sir John. Diba? Palakpakan naman natin ang nag-iisang John Arcilla.
And at saka actually, alam mo yung si Shasha kasi hindi. Ang sarap kasi niyang kasama sa eksena. Alam mo yung, she's naturally, look at her, naturally, diva, di ba? Yung elegante. Pero napaka bubbly sa behind the scenes. Sobrang magkukwento ng lahat ng bagay na kaya niyang kwento. Hindi mo maiisip na si Yashi Padilla ganun ganun ka. Lahat ng kukwento niya. So sobrang saya kasi yung rapport ninyo ng tatrabaho na hindi niyo pinipilit, hindi puwersa. So nakakagaan ng loob para magawa niyo yung lahat ng requirements sa isang eksena. Na hindi niyo pinipilit isa't isa. So thank you for that also.
No, it's just really inspiring how hearing you talk about your co-actors and girl. Anyway, next question. It's a social media question to Mr. Romnick Sarmenta. Ang haligi ng ABS-CBN. Sir, ang tanong niyo po ay, you've already been a part of many successful projects. How is The Alibi different, and what made you say yes to this project?
Wala nga ako kanina. Hindi, I always choose to work with people that I have worked with before, mixed with people I have not worked with before. Kasi syempre, di ba, lalo na pagka television series, you work long hours. You work for so long. And if you're not going to enjoy the work, if you're not going to be working with like-minded people, it's difficult. So when you get the chance to meet new people at work, and then still at the same time work with the people you've worked with before that you really enjoyed, bonus yun. Diba? The fact that people say that I've been around other projects that are so successful, it's also because of the people I work with. Diba? So, Dreamscape is there. I mean, the directors I have worked with before. Si Direk Onat kasama ko sa High Street. Si Direk Jojo, I've worked with her before also. Kimpa, I've worked with them before. This is my second time working with them. And when I heard that it's them, sabi ko, tara, game. Diba? And then the others, and so it's a given. If you're working with the right people, you're working with people you can talk to, be comfortable with, and create with, sobrang dali ng trabaho, kahit mahirap siya.
Thank you, sir. Okay, ngayon naman po, pumunta naman po tayo to a question from Hannah Mallorca from Inquirer, para naman kay Kim and Pao. I'll ask maybe Kim first. Make that Pao, sorry. The Alibi is your most daring project so far. While it's clear na comfortable kayo sa isa't isa, meron pa ba kayong mga ilangan moments while filming? And can you share any unforgettable behind-the-scenes moment for Pao?
Oh, the question is for me?
Yes.
Yes, maraming ilangan moments because syempre when you enter a set as a professional actor and you have scenes na medyo delicate, syempre lagi mong iniisip rin yung co-actor mo or co-actress. Kung komportable ba sila, not just for Kim but also the others, with Sophia as well. Minsan, like yung napanood nyo kanina, yung sumasayaw si Stella, nakita nyo sa trailer, parang naiilang ka rin at natatakot ka para sa eksena mo at para para sa sarili mo. Kung hindi naman, kung medyo intense, like yung mga scenes namin ni Sofia, natatakot ka rin kung nasasaktan mo ba sila dahil yun yung instruction ng director at yun yung nakasulat sa script. Siyempre, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko at doon lagi ako naiilang. Kung along the way, dito sa proseso at sa pag-arte ko, kung na-alienate ko ba or nasasaktan ko or maybe nararamdaman ba ng ka-eksena ko na napapastos ko sila in some way. So, as much as possible, I try my best to talk to them first a bit or show them what I'm gonna do pero ayun, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko. Doon ako naiilang palagi. And I'm sure pag naiilang ako, naiilang rin yung ka-eksena ko. So,
Thank you, Pao, for being candid about your experiences so far. Kim, baka anything to add?
Wala naman siguro hindi may ilang pag mga ganun. Parang kasi nungalingan, anong alibay mo? Sabi mong hindi. Pero opo, nailang pa rin. Kahit na kami ni Pao pang-apat na project namin. Pero iba-iba kasi yung ginagawa namin. So, iba-ibang intensity. So, parang nakakahiya. Mukha lang kaming dalawa sa screen, pero napakadami po talaga namin. Parang ganito. So, parang ganun. Siyempre nakakailang, nakahiya. Pero, since professional ang bawat isa sa amin. So, diba no?
Follow-up question came from Hannah. Okay, so ito naman, another question for Kim. Grabe ang transition mo from your first role to The Alibi. Can we expect you to take more varying characters from you in the future?
Grabe. Mahalin niyo muna si Stella bago tayo tumalon sa iba. Please love #Stella. Nagpakaawa. Pero, iba-iba naman, dito naman sa mundo ng showbiz, ang daming characters na pwede mong i-play. It's up to you na lang kung paano mo siya gagampanan at depende na rin sa pagkakasulat at pagkakagawa.
Thank you, Kim. Aya?
Ngayon naman from Nika Sabio from Push ABS-CBN. To Ms. Jasha Padilla, the question is, how do you feel returning, doing a TV project? How do you prepare and adjust for your role? Again, the question was from Nika Sabio of Push ABS-CBN.
Hi, Nika. Thank you for your wonderful question. Gano'n ba ako katagal na wala? Hindi ko na makatanda. Love like... Ay, di. Meron din. Meron din ako ginawa. Oo. Nakaka-excite kasi pag sinabi pa lang sa'yo yung cast. Kay Kim pang third ko na to na. So talagang very comfortable na. Kim pang first time. But working with actors that I get to be with, kasi nag-aasap din kami, so ibang field. Tapos biglang ito artista ka, may mga characters kayo, na nakaka-challenge talaga. And nasasiyahan ako kasi kaya Direk Jojo, nakatrabaho ko na siya, pero yan, first time namin. So, very intense, iba yung, masarap kasi ma-handle ng talagang magagaling na director. Dahil ako always open to learning, yun palagi kong iniisip, kailangan meron kang matutunan dito, meron kang mag-take home sa mga kasama mo. Iniisip ko palagi, pati mga style nila pag-deliver, pinag-aaralan ko yun. Tinitignan ko sila, maganda yung ginagawa niya. Meron din akong takot, syempre, tungkol sa emotion, because acting is a lot of emotions, right? So, you really have to be there on the set. And gini-joke ko nga sa family ko, sorry, hindi ako masyado I'm not in touch with you, medyo may method ako ng konti. Kasi meron ako ditong pamilya. So sila yung inaasikaso ko, sila yung... So napakadali din pala kapag nasa set ka, like we were in Cebu. It was easy to slip into your character. And we even say, oh, we miss Cebu when we see it. We miss our home, we miss, diba? Ang bahay po namin ay isang resort actually. Ganun kami kayaman. Pero pag naiisip ko itong pamilyang to, and years from now, I will always treasure this memory. Kasi napaka-special po talaga.
Oh, thank you very much, Ms. Shasha. To you, Sam Milby, how was it like taking up this kind of role in The Alibi?
Very different para sa akin. This is the first time I'm doing a role na within the first week, wala na ako. But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end. And there's ang daming flashbacks. And ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento, yung relationship with yung mga ibang cast members, the characters, ang daming revelations. So it's a great character, but it was really exciting. It was really fun to do. Yeah.
Thank you. And now for Rafael, this is another comeback series in the Kapamilya Network. What do you like much in working with the cast and taking up this kind of role also in